Favorite LiveGood guy. Hey guys, I am on this my LiveGood account, and it's another brand new week that has just ended, and indeed the results were amazing, and I wanted to bring you up to speed updates about my earning in LiveGood. First of all, my name is Al Hassan, the Salifu. This is the full name, you can see it here. Now to prove furthermore, let me just open the menu and go to my info, okay, and show you this. Come to my info. I'm going to show you my info, of course, guys. So I believe this account actually belongs to me. You can see, okay. So guys, to prove, this is me. This is my LiveGood ID. This is my full name, Al Hassan Salifu. This is my email address. This is my phone number, and this is my LiveGood username, guys. You can check it out. Now, let me just show you to the important page here on my dashboard, my earnings. All right, I'm gonna show you this, guys. Now, I am barely 7 weeks in LiveGood. That's literally less than 2 months. Okay, and this, look at this results here, guys. Look at the results here. Can you see this? Actually, when I've joined on 26th of January 2023, and my first week I made what? $100. Right? My second week I made $637.50. Okay. Right. Then my third week I made $722.50. Okay. Then my fifth week $1,320 US, guys. Okay. Then my sixth week. My fifth week, I made $1,012, guys. My sixth week, I made what? $693. And my seventh week, $623, guys. Now, if you do the math, add the figures, okay? It's a video. Add them. So if you add everything, you're getting about $5,150 about that. Multiply that in your local currency. I'm in Ghana, where the cedi rate is around $12. What? 12 Ghana cedis, 50 pesos to 12 Ghana cedis, what? 80 Ghana pesos. But I'll just be in the lower side. So multiply that amount in dollars made so far by 12.5. That's over what? Over 64,000 Ghana cedis made in a couple of 7 weeks, less than 2 months, guys. What will happen when we get to 4 months? When we get to 5 months, 1 year, what will happen, guys? This is explosive growth. And remember, over 2,000 people are joining every single day. And we have 6 different ways we earn and LiveGood. This is just only one way, guys. So you want to just take this seriously and don't want to miss out on this. And remember, no selling of products required, no buying of products required. They have products, okay? Superior quality health and wellness products that sell themselves. You can, however, decide to order them and to use them to benefit yourself, but it's not compulsory to sell them or buy them before you make money. So I just it, guys. So check it out.